Hello, aspiring wealth builders. Welcome to a special edition of Cashflow Chronicles, where we'll embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of making money like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your financial journey, this video is packed with insights to boost your cash flow. Let's dive in. Number 1. Understanding passive income. Our first stop on the Cashflow Chronicles is understanding the power of passive income. Explore various sources such as real estate investments, dividends from stocks, and creating digital assets. Learn how to make money work for you, even while you sleep. Number 2. Smart investing strategies. Next, we delve into smart investing strategies. From traditional stock markets to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, we'll discuss risk management, diversification, and how to identify lucrative investment opportunities. Master the art of growing your wealth through informed decisions. Number 3. Entrepreneurial ventures. Embark on the entrepreneurial path as we explore various business ventures. From starting a side hustle to scaling a full-fledged business, we'll discuss successful entrepreneurial stories, strategies for growth, and the importance of innovation in today's dynamic market. Number 4. Real estate riches. Unlock the potential of real estate riches in our next chapter. Whether it's flipping properties, rental income, or real estate crowdfunding, discover how real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Learn the ropes of market analysis and making strategic property investments. Number 5. Passive income streams online. Venture into the digital realm with our exploration of passive income streams online. From affiliate marketing to creating and selling online courses, we'll guide you through the vast opportunities the internet offers for generating consistent revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Number 6. Financial literacy and budgeting. No journey through the Cashflow Chronicles is complete without a focus on financial literacy and budgeting. Understand the importance of tracking your expenses, creating a budget, and managing debt. Equip yourself with the skills to make informed financial decisions. Number 7. Networking and mentorship. Connect with like-minded individuals and seasoned professionals as we discuss the significance of networking and mentorship in wealth creation. Learn from those who have walked the path before you and gain valuable insights to accelerate your financial journey. Number 8. Navigating market trends. Stay ahead of the game by mastering the art of navigating market trends. From keeping an eye on economic indicators to understanding consumer behavior, we'll explore strategies to adapt to changing markets and position yourself for financial success. Number 9. Mindset and motivation. Discover the power of mindset and motivation in our Cashflow Chronicles. Uncover the mental habits of successful individuals, understand the importance of resilience, and learn how to overcome challenges on your journey to financial prosperity. As we conclude this edition of Cashflow Chronicles, armed with the knowledge and strategies discussed, you're now better equipped to make money like a pro. Remember, the key lies in continuous learning, strategic planning, and taking calculated risks. Stay tuned for more wealth-building insights, and until next time, may your cash flow be ever abundant. Happy investing!